फ्रेग्रेंस तो है इसके अंदर. Amazing for your party wear. Sad part about this foundation, oily skin, this is for you. Flat dead matte sort of foundation, loved by makeup artists, doesn't comes with a pump. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. अगर आप यहाँ नए हो तो मैं हूँ नेहा देवगन. I have been a bridal makeup artist from past 10 years and now I come here to share unsponsored reviews about all of the products that are here in the beauty industry. Now today we are going to be talking about NARS foundations, obviously because the caption says that. इस video में I'm gonna be talking in detail about who can use this foundation, in what weather you can use this foundation, and whether this foundation is worth it or not. So stay here and figure out which foundation from NARS is best for you. Now without a further delay, let's get started. Now when we talk about foundations, I like to personally divide these foundations in two categories. First, Longwear Armor family. Basically, ये वो foundations हैं that you like to use in your occasions. These are transfer resistant, sweat resistant, longwear foundations. But if you are into foundations which looks more natural, are more into skincare, which you can wear into your parties and for your everyday uses as well, then they fall into skincare hybrid family. Okay, so I'm going to be talking about both of these families because NARS covers both of these. So first, let's talk about NARS Sheer Glow foundation. Now, NARS Sheer Glow is my favorite foundation. और ये ही वो foundation है that I have used on my brides. Now, sad part about this foundation is it doesn't comes with a pump so far. Now, this one was launched in 2009 but it still doesn't comes with a pump. You have to buy a pump for this and I'm really sad about it. Look at the viscosity of this foundation. Very skin like, very thin. This is almost like your serum foundation. Now this is something that you can wear on your everyday basis, for your party wear. I especially like to pair this foundation with a thick concealer if we want more coverage, or with a thin concealer if I want less coverage. So for my no makeup brides, I like to pair this foundation with NARS Radiant Concealer. That is also thin and this is also thin. So the base sets very naturally. Honestly, my definition of natural is जब आपकी थोड़े से blemishes दिख भी रहे हो तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, but it should not look that you have put on something on your face when you meet somebody in person. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दोज हु आर डॉक्टर्स एंड लॉयर्स स्पेशली उनको ऐसा फाउंडेशन चाहिए होता है कि वो अपनी नॉर्मल लाइफ से ज़्यादा डिफरेंट ना दिखें. हाउएवर ब्राइड तो थोड़ी डिफरेंट दिखती ही है बट बेस में दे डोंट वांट अ लॉट. इफ यू आर समवन लाइक देम then this is the foundation for you. Now this one comes in 40 shades. ऑलिव टोन्स में थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम नार्स की रेंज में आती है. आई हैव हर्ड अ लॉट अबाउट इट. सो इफ यू आर अ पर्सन हु इज इनटू ऑलिव टोन, आई वुड रेकमेंड यू गोइंग टू द स्टोर, ट्राई इट एंड देन बाय इट ओनली. ओके. Now when I look at the ingredients of this foundation, this gives me very smooth buttery application. इसके अंदर ना vitamin C derivative भी है which is in very little quantity. I am surprised that in 2009 they used to put vitamin C derivative. Now I always ask you all the time to not to depend on the foundation for the skincare. Keep your skincare thing separate and your foundation separate. But if a foundation has some sort of skincare in it, then you have to sometimes see if it's going to suit on your skin type or not. So do a little bit of patch test with it because vitamin C derivative sometimes can irritate super sensitive or super dry skin. Otherwise, I'm going to put all of the ingredient list that really matters so that you can see what all is in here. If I talk about its finish, it's very beautiful, not too glowy, not too dewy, not too matte, something which is very skin-like, something which is like I slept 8 hours and drank enough water to keep my skin healthy. That is the kind of finish NARS Sheer Glow gives you. Now the question is, who should use this foundation? I feel NARS Sheer Glow is for people with dry skin, with combination skin and with normal skin. But for people who have oily skin, they needs to go into some other variant of NARS which we are going to talk later in this video, because it is so thin and I feel it is more moisturizing, more hydrating. तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि ये काफ़ी ऑयल कंट्रोलिंग है. अगर आप फिर भी इस फाउंडेशन को लगाना चाहते हो अपनी ऑयली स्किन पे, आई वुड आस्क यू टू प्रेप योर स्किन मोर विद सिलिकॉन प्राइमर्स एंड ऑयल कंट्रोलिंग प्राइमर्स. आई वुड आस्क you to powder more, so you will have to work hard to make this foundation work on your skin rather than making this an effortless thing for you. So NARS Sheer Glow is an absolutely fantastic foundation even for mature skin. I think this is something which actually acts like a serum foundation, which means basically you have mixed your foundation in your moisturizer and then just have applied on your face. So this is for those people. You need to set this foundation with powder, otherwise it is going to slip from your face. So if you're going out or you sweat a lot or in any sort of situation, I feel in India, you need to powder this foundation. Otherwise फैंटास्टिक फाउंडेशन. मैंने ब्राइड्स पे भी चलाया है, मुझे कभी कोई परेशानी नहीं हुई. डजंट ब्रेक्स आउट, डजंट गोज हियर एंड देयर फॉर गुड 8 hours. इट्स नॉट गोना मूव. ठीक है. नाउ हाउ अ फाउंडेशन परफॉर्म्स, हाउ इट ऑक्सीडाइजेस, इसकी मैंने एक स्पेशली डेडिकेटेड वीडियो बनाई है, व्हाई अ फाउंडेशन ऑक्सीडाइजेस. आपको वो वीडियो देखना बहुत जरूरी है टू अंडरस्टैंड कि फाउंडेशन ऑक्सीडाइज क्यों होता है और ऐसा आप क्या करो कि फाउंडेशन आपको ऑक्सीडाइज ना हो. सो गो check out that video because that's basics of makeup sort of a video. So check out that video and I'm gonna see you here in the comments. NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Something which is loved by makeup artists, especially in Delhi, Punjab region. Everybody likes full coverage and this is everybody's favorite. इसका first ingredient dimethion है, ना कि water, which means it has more silicons. Silicon ज़्यादा होने की वजह से you get more structure and longevity increases, which clearly means it's gonna stay longer than your Sheer Glow. Now, this is also going to give you more coverage. It has more iron oxide, more emollients and more pigments in it, which means कि इसकी कवरेज आपकी शेयर ग्लो से ज्यादा रहेगी बट ऑक्सीडेशन भी ज्यादा रहेगी. नाउ वेरेवर यू विल रीड अबाउट NARS Radiant Wear Foundation, you will always find 2 types of reviews. First, it oxidizes a lot and turns orange, turns dark. Second, it's a beautiful foundation. Now that decision is up to you. Now why it is famous amongst professional makeup artists? Because all of us knows how to handle a foundation. Now इसकी अच्छी बात मुझे पता है कि ये कवरेज ज्यादा देगा और ये रेडिएंट फिनिश देगा. कभी कभी क्या होता है ना, फाउंडेशन विच आर फुल कवरेज दे टेंड टू लुक वेरी फ्लैट डेड मैट सॉर्ट ऑफ फाउंडेशन. ऐसा लगता है जैसे फेस पे पुट्टी लगा ली हो. इट लुक्स वेरी बैड, राइट? बट दिस वाज द फाउंडेशन. ये तब आया था जब उस टाइम पे वो पुट्टी जैसे फाउंडेशन हमें फील होते थे. दिस लुक्स वेरी गुड ऑन कैमरा. हाउ टू हैंडल इट? जनरली प्रोफेशनल मेकअप आर्टिस्ट फाउंडेशन सिर्फ यहाँ लगाते हैं और लिटिल बिट ओवर हियर. Rest of the face is covered with bronzers and concealers. That's why it was never a problem for professional makeup artists. But if you are somebody who's working on your own self and you are a beginner, then my darling, you need to understand how to apply a foundation. क्योंकि हर foundation differently behave करेगा आपकी skin पे. Now, इसलिए I always say go to the store, check the viscosity of the foundation. It's a thick foundation. You need to see sheer glow कितना thin था and how thick it is. Now see the viscosity. It is not moving. That means it is a thick foundation. That means it has more coverage, more pigments in it. कोई नया पेन भी आप अपने हाथ में पकड़ते हो ना तो उसको चला के देखते हो ना कि कैसे चल रहा है. इज द वर्क फ्लो अमेजिंग? इज इट सेटिंग ऑन योर हैंड और नॉट, राइट? तो इसलिए यू हैव टू सी how to work with this foundation. But if you have oily skin, you will have to prep your skin a lot or skip to the foundation that I'm about to talk in a minute, okay? But not this one. This is amazing for people who want coverage, amazing for people who have normal and combination skin, amazing for events, amazing for people who knows how to deal with a foundation, amazing for people who wants a long wear foundation. Comes with a pump. और इन सारे फाउंडेशन की रेंज जो है ना आपकी 3500 से 5000 तक जाती है. सो द रेंज इज एक्चुअली मोर. काफ़ी फाउंडेशन से बहुत अच्छा फाउंडेशन है ये. नाउ द कॉन्स ऑफ इट, जो भी इसके अंदर थे ना, नार्स ने उन्हें कवर किया है अपनी नेक्स्ट फाउंडेशन रेंज में, राइट? सो वी आर गोना कम टू दैट एज वेल. But in the end, I would like to say it is high on emollient, high on iron oxide pigments, and with your skin heat and the weather in India, it will oxidize. So buy one lighter shade in this foundation, set it with setting sprays, primers, and powders, and you will be able to make maximum use of this foundation. You will be able to get the full potential of this foundation, right? Let's move on to the next one, which is NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. Now we have talked about NARS Sheer Glow and Radiant Wear. If you are looking for something in middle, NARS has thought about it. अगर मुझे मीडियम कवरेज चाहिए, ये तो फुल कवरेज है और ये शेयर कवरेज है, तो इनको ना मैं जनरली मिक्स करके भी यूज करती थी. तो नार्स ने ऐसा फाउंडेशन बना दिया जो कि मीडियम कवरेज है, प्लस इट हैज स्किन केयर इंग्रेडिएंट्स एज वेल, व्हिच इज सो गुड. दिस इज अ फाउंडेशन व्हिच हैज लाइट टू मीडियम बिल्डेबल कवरेज, अमेजिंग फॉर योर पार्टी वेयर. आई थिंक व्हेन यू वांट ग्लो in India, specifically October to February, when there is wedding season, winters are there, you want little bit of radiance and luminosity, this is the foundation for you. I really like how it looks so good in cameras, but the only factor is it has little bit of smell. If you can pass through that smell for 1 to 2 minutes, because after you set that foundation, it's not gonna come. So पहले 1-2 minute में you will feel there is a little smell in it. Absolute amazing blendability, absolute amazing spreadability. It also has niacinamide in it, which works on your textures and pores. but जिन लोगों को niacinamide सूट नहीं करता, I would ask you guys to do a patch test on your skin. इसके अंदर भी कोई heavy film formers नहीं है जो कि आपके फाउंडेशन को बहुत लॉन्ग स्टेइंग बनाए या बहुत थिक बनाए. इसलिए ये फाउंडेशन आपका एवरीडे वियर और पार्टी वियर फाउंडेशन है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप किसी फ्रेंड की वेडिंग अटेंड करने गए हो फॉर 5 to 6 hours, इट्स एन अमेजिंग फाउंडेशन फॉर दैट पर्पज. आई थिंक अगर मेरे को इसको थोड़ा और लंबा भी चलाना है, 8 घंटे 9 घंटे भी चलाना है, आई विल यूज गुड प्राइमर्स एंड देन पाउडर इट एंड विल यूज सेटिंग स्प्रे. इट्स गोना स्टे. ये स्टे करता है. मैंने इसका वियर टेस्ट किया था, मुझे ये पसंद आया. इट्स जस्ट दैट थोड़ी देर बाद थोड़ा सा ऑयल जब मेरी स्किन रिलीज करती है ऑन टी जोन, I look a little shiny, so I need to use a blotting paper or use a little bit of powder puff on those areas. Light reflecting भी एक शेड मुझे लगता है कि ऑक्सीडाइज होता है, so buy one shade lighter in this foundation as well. So who can use this? This is a foundation for self and pro. Both use, majorly for self use, I would say, because radiant wear I feel is for pro use and for people who have more pigmentation, because they generally need foundations with full coverage. But this can be used by everyone, and sheer glow also can be used by everyone. Now this one comes with a pump. इसका पंप आपको सेपरेटली खरीदना नहीं पड़ेगा, which is a very good thing. कभी कभी क्या होता है ना, फाउंडेशन के साथ अगर पंप ना आए देन इट ऑक्सीडाइजेस. मेरा नार्स शेयर ग्लो बहुत जल्दी ऑक्सीडाइज होता है क्योंकि आप पूरी बॉटल को एक्सपोज कर रहे हो इन एयर व्हेन यू आर ओपनिंग इट अगेन एंड अगेन. प्लस ये थोड़ा सा ना बॉटल लीक करती है. जब भी आप इसे खोलोगे आपका फाउंडेशन यहाँ लगा हुआ होगा, तो इतना पार्ट तो मेरा खराब हो गया ना, वेस्ट हो गया, क्योंकि वो बाहर लग लग के ऑक्सीडाइज होता रहेगा. पंप से यू सेव द वेस्टेज ऑफ द फाउंडेशन. पाउडर इस फाउंडेशन को आपको करना पड़ेगा. पीक इंडियन समर में इस फाउंडेशन को आपको अच्छे से सेट करना पड़ेगा. ये आपका एकदम समरी फाउंडेशन नहीं है कि आपने इसे लगाया और ये सेट हो गया एंड यू आर गुड टू गो. You will have to put efforts to set this foundation, but it will look amazing. Okay. Now, कौन सा है फिर समरी फाउंडेशन जो हमें लेना चाहिए, जो हम अभी इस वक्त पे यूज कर सकते हैं, या फिर ऐसा कौन सा फाउंडेशन है that's going to work on oily skin? Let's talk about it. But before that, if you have come so far in this video, you might have understood my way of explaining things. Everything that comes from my mouth is from the experience and the research I do in explaining things to you in a very beginner friendly way, and everything is unsponsored. So if you're liking this video, please subscribe to my channel, because that's gonna help me in growing with you guys, and you will not miss any other video from my channel. Now let's talk about NARS Natural Matte Longwear Foundation, which is a newly launched foundation and the most advanced foundation. This is the viscosity of this foundation. They have tried to put ingredients which forms film on your face and they make the foundation feel like very serum like consistency as well. ये ना आपके फेस पे बस एक जल्दी से ब्लेंड होके एक फिल्म फॉर्म कर देंगे एंड देन दे इवेपोरेट, राइट? तो आपके फेस पे एक्चुअल कलर रह जाएगा फाउंडेशन का एंड इट विल फील वेरी लाइट वेट एज वेल. This is what NARS has tried to do with this foundation. Ingredients like undecane, tridecane, C912-alkane. These are the fast evaporating ingredients that NARS has tried to put in this. They've also added niacinamide in it, which makes it look very blurring and again gives it very light feel. 49 shades में आया है ये foundation, which is the biggest range so far in NARS. So who can use this foundation and what are the pros and cons of this foundation? Let's discuss that. First, comes with a pump, lesser wastage. Now this is medium to full coverage foundation. Although people say that it's only a medium coverage foundation, I like to divide foundations in super coverage, which are like your Krylon foundations. This, according to me, is medium to full buildable coverage. The blendability is amazing. The spreadability of the foundation is amazing. Oily skin people can definitely use it. Normal skin combination people can also use it. Now me being a person जिसकी combination skin है, जब मैंने इसे apply किया था, my pores were looking smaller. But after some time when my skin started releasing oils, I felt there was some shine on my T-zone. So blotting papers are necessary, primers are necessary, and setting sprays are necessary for anybody whose skin releases oils. Now, when your skin releases oils, what happens? Oxidation happens. So this foundation oxidizes. So you need to buy one shade lighter than your skin tone. Definitely something which gives you airbrush sort of finish and looks very beautiful on face. I was thoroughly impressed with the kind of finish it gives on my face. But if you'll ask me whether I'll put this in my professional makeup vanity, I think I would like to use NARS Radiant Wear in my professional makeup vanity rather than using this one, or I will only keep it for April, May, June, July season and that's it. Other than that, I will not use this foundation because being a professional makeup artist, you know how to control the foundation and you can do that easily with the NARS Radiant Wear and you can use this for good 12 months as well. But with this, it has a little bit of limitation. You can only use it in those seasons. Otherwise, you will, in winters, you can't really use this foundation on a skin which is dry, on a skin which is normal. क्योंकि winters में generally हमारी skin थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा dry हुई हुई होती है और उसके ऊपर अगर मैं oil controlling foundation लगाऊंगी, it's gonna break. It's definitely gonna break. So I'll have to put a lot more efforts in using this foundation. I will skip this in my professional makeup vanity. But if I want to talk about somebody who wants to use it for themselves only, so if you have oily skin, this is a beautiful foundation, looks very nice. Even right now in this season, in summer season, when we are watching this video, I think this was the right time when NARS launched this foundation, because right now, if you are attending a wedding, this is a beautiful foundation. But again, I would like to warn you over here that you might have to do a little bit of touch up or use blotting paper around the nose or wherever your skin leaves oil. I did put on little water on my face and this foundation did not move. For that matter, NARS Radiant Wear also did not move at all. I just put in a splash of water on my face and these foundations did not move. However, इन सारे फाउंडेशंस को मैंने इसी तरीके से अप्लाई किया था जिस तरीके से आई लाइक टू डू माई प्रोफेशनल मेकअप्स, विद एम्ब्रॉयडरीज and with concealers. I've also tested this foundation multiple times without a lot of concealers. I've checked its coverage as well. This is a beautiful foundation, but मेरे अंदर ना दो दिमाग है एक्चुअली. एक मेकअप आर्टिस्ट वाला दिमाग है और एक सेल्फ कंटेंट क्रिएटर वाला दिमाग है. तो अगर मैं कंटेंट क्रिएटर हूँ या मैं सेल्फ मेकअप वैनिटी बना रही हूँ ना और मेरी ऑयली स्किन है, तो मैं ये खरीद के रख लूंगी, क्योंकि फिर मुझे ना इतनी झंझट नहीं करनी पड़ेगी टू सेट द बेस विथ पाउडर, टू डू अ लॉट मोर 10 स्टेप्स. अगर मुझे लगता है कि मेरी स्किन ऑयली है, मैं इसको खरीद के रख लूंगी एंड आई विल बी फाइन, राइट. लेकिन अगर विंटर्स आएंगी तो मुझे सोचना पड़ेगा, तो मुझे एक थिक मॉइस्चराइजर खरीदना पड़ेगा टू अप्लाई बीनीथ दिस फाउंडेशन. बट अगर मैं एक मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हूँ, अगेन मैं यही रिपीट करूंगी, या मुझे थोड़ी भी मेकअप का ज्ञान है, या थोड़ा सा भी मुझे पाउडर से ज़्यादा अच्छे से सेट करना आता है ना, तो मैं इन दोनों में से कोई एक फाउंडेशन खरीद लूँगी. ठीक है. अगर मैं ऑफिस गोइंग हूँ और प्लस मुझे कोई पार्टीज़ भी अटेंड करनी होती हैं, तो मैं ये रख लूँगी. अगर मैं ज़्यादा मेकअप पसंद करती हूँ तो मैं ये रख लूँगी. अगर मैं बिल्कुल भी मेकअप करना पसंद नहीं करती हूँ तो मैं नार्स शेयर ग्लो रख लूँगी. लेकिन अगर मेरे फेस पे ब्लेमिशेस हैं थोड़े से, और कंसीलर्स इतना ज़्यादा यूज़ करना पसंद नहीं करती, देन आई एम गोना कीप दिस फाउंडेशन. अब इन सारे फाउंडेशंस का ना एक चार्ट आई एम गोना पुट ऑन द स्क्रीन सो दैट यू कैन सी इन विच वेदर and how you can use this foundations. However, I have tried my best to explain how you can use all of these NARS foundations, who should use it, who should not use it, why you should use it and when you should use it. Okay. इसके अलावा मैं आपको एक जस्ट लास्ट में रिमाइंडर देना चाहूंगी. मैंने अपनी पिछली वीडियो में भी आपको ये समझाने की कोशिश की थी दैट नो फाउंडेशन इज अ बैड फाउंडेशन. प्लीज go to the store, apply that foundation for good half an hour to 1 hour, see how that foundations behave on your skin. क्योंकि आपके लिए ना बेस्ट फाउंडेशन वही है जो आपकी स्किन पे परफॉर्म करता है, ना कि जो आपकी फ्रेंड की स्किन पे परफॉर्म करता है, या नेहा की स्किन पे परफॉर्म करता है, या आपके पड़ोसी की स्किन पे परफॉर्म करता है. ट्राई इट ऑन योर स्किन द वे यू वुड अप्लाई इट in your party or in your everyday use, okay, and then see how it works. Now इसके अलावा अगर आपको फिर भी कोई क्वेश्चन है, आप कमेंट्स में लिख सकते हो. Join my community, क्योंकि वहां मैं रेगुलरली बात करती हूँ मैं किस फाउंडेशन के बारे में रिसर्च कर रही हूँ. वहां आप मुझे अपने क्वेश्चंस लिख सकते हो. Join me on Instagram, आप मुझे DM कर सकते हो. मैं हर एक DM का रिप्लाई करती हूँ, whosoever DMs me. So join me and try and find the best products for you, okay? Because I am not somebody who just wants to sell products to you. I am somebody who wants to sit with you and discuss all of these products with you. So be my friend, sit with me, discuss products with me, tell me where I am going wrong and you are right, and tell me wherever you need my suggestion, okay? On this note, this is Neha Devgan saying bye-bye.